The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has been making waves recently, thanks to leaked images of dummy units. These early glimpses have sparked plenty of chatter among tech enthusiasts. But how much can we really trust these preliminary models? Let's dive into the reality behind dummy units and why they often fall short of showing us the full picture of what a flagship device will truly offer. Dummy units serve a specific purpose in the tech industry. They are created to assist accessory makers, think case manufacturers and screen protector designers, by providing a general idea of a phone's size, shape, and port placement. However, these units are typically rough approximations rather than polished representations. They lack the finer details, premium materials, and stunning finishes that make devices like the Galaxy S25 Ultra stand out when officially launched. The design of these units might suggest the overall shape or layout of a device, but the final product often evolves significantly before it's released to the public. Consider the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Early dummy models of that device depicted a design that seemed underwhelming and generic. But when the phone was officially unveiled, it turned heads with its refined aesthetics and high-end build quality. Another key limitation of dummy units is their inability to represent functionality. These models are static and don't include working components such as cameras or displays. Placeholder parts like mock camera sensors don't accurately reflect the advanced features that flagship devices are known for. It's also worth noting that if a phone's release is still several months away, the dummy unit might be based on outdated information or preliminary designs that are no longer accurate. Leaked dummy units can be exciting for those eager to catch a glimpse of what's to come, but it's essential to view them critically. They offer a snapshot of possibilities but rarely provide a complete or accurate representation of the final product. Manufacturers like Samsung are known for refining their designs and adding sophisticated touches right up until a device enters mass production. Let's not forget that speculation based on these early glimpses can sometimes lead to disappointment when the final device doesn't match the hype, or conversely, it might pleasantly surprise us with innovations that weren't apparent in the early stages. This unpredictability is part of the fun, but it's also a reminder not to put too much stock in unverified leaks. So where does that leave us with the Galaxy S25 Ultra? The dummy units might give us hints about design direction, but they're just the starting point of what will likely be a much more impressive final product. Samsung has a track record of delivering phones that exceed expectations, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek designs. The best approach is to stay curious while maintaining a healthy level of skepticism. Enjoy the early leaks and discussions, but remember that they're just pieces of a larger puzzle. The real excitement begins when the device is officially unveiled, showcasing its full capabilities and design. As we wait for more concrete details about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the discussion surrounding these dummy units serves as a reminder of how much effort and innovation go into creating a flagship device. It's a journey that's always worth watching closely, from the earliest leaks to the official announcement. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.